Adult Services. Today I'm going to talk about our seed library. It's located on the 3rd floor. You're welcome to check out anything you would like, and you don't have to bring it back. We have a list right here of how to do it, and then there's also an option to return seeds as well. So now when we're on the gardening trend, we also have our 635s, the gardening books, and then also we have our fiction books with garden topics. So come in, check it out, and come out and grab some seeds.
Hi everyone, Liz here in Adult Services. This week I'd like to talk to you about a new program we have going on this summer. For those of you in the know, you'll be aware that the Goffstown Public Library is part of the GMILCS Consortium. It's a consortium of 12 different libraries in the area, and we share our resources all the time. And so this summer, in order to get the word out about the different services that are available to you as part of the GMILCS Consortium, we've decided to work together to create a fun new program that we are calling the GMILCS Library Hop. The way this works is you visit your home library, in this case Goffstown, and you pick up a passport. In the passport, you will see each library has its own page, its own passport page with a challenge. So you visit your library, you complete the challenge, you get a stamp or sticker to mark off in your passport book. At the end of the summer, when you have completed your entire passport book, you can bring it back to your home library to be entered for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Bookery in Manchester. So this program will run from June 1st to August 31st. You can start or stop anytime, but please stop by, pick up your passport, and check out all the other libraries in the area that are available to you as a Goffstown cardholder.
Hey everyone, this is Stacy, Teen Services at the Goffstown Public Library. Have you ever been in and you've wondered what is inside this orange case? Well, this is called a Playaway. And a Playaway is basically your all-in-one audiobook. All you need is a set of headphones and you can put this Playaway in your pocket, in the car, anywhere that you want to listen. So we have some for teens down on the 2nd floor. We also have some adult Playaways that are also on the 2nd floor. So if you don't have a CD player, which is normally what we would listen to our audiobooks on, and maybe you don't have a device that is able to hook up to Libby or Hoopla, but you are interested in audiobooks, try the Playaway. Thank you.